Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Ukraine. Says NATO summit brings more than $300 million for Patriot missiles, drone deals, and expanded defense industry cooperation. Ukraine said agreements reached at the 36th NATO summit in Ankara will strengthen its air defense, expand joint defense production, and mobilize additional financing for defense projects. The Ministry of Defense of Ukraine said the measures include more than $300 million for Patriot missiles, new drone cooperation agreements, and steps toward creating a defense-focused bank. According to the joint declaration issued after the summit, NATO allies announced plans to provide a total of $80 billion in defense support for Ukraine in 2026. The ministry said this would include $32 billion through the defense component of the EU loan and $48 billion in bilateral support. The Ministry of Defense said partner countries have already made budgetary provisions, totaling $40 billion for bilateral security assistance to Ukraine in 2026. It said the NATO declaration, therefore, signals the allies' intention to provide an additional $8 billion in security assistance next year. Allies also announced their intention to provide at least the same level of support, $80 billion, in 2027. Ukraine said the commitments reflect continued efforts to strengthen its defense and partner capabilities. Norway announced approximately $306 million in funding for the procurement of Patriot missiles through the prioritized Ukraine requirements list and jumpstart mechanisms. Norway, Denmark, Germany, and Canada plan to jointly procure new missiles through contributions to those mechanisms. Norway is also prepared to support the procurement of Patriot missiles from countries that already hold them in their inventories. The ministry said this would help address Ukraine's critical air defense requirement for counter-ballistic capabilities more quickly. Ukraine also announced an implementation agreement with Germany to launch joint production of BARS drone missiles in Germany. The agreement was signed by Ukraine's Minister of Foreign Affairs, Andriy Sybiha, and Germany's Federal Minister of Defense, Boris Pistorius. The project will be financed by Germany, and all production will be supplied to the defense forces of Ukraine. The ministry said the project is another step in expanding joint defense production between Ukraine and Germany, and will help scale Ukrainian technologies proven effective in modern warfare. President Volodymyr Zelensky also signed drone deal agreements with the leaders of Estonia, the Netherlands, and Denmark. The ministry said the initiative opens new opportunities for joint defense production, exchange of expertise and combat experience, development of drone technologies, and greater transparency in arms export matters. Ukraine has now concluded 9 drone deal agreements with partner countries. The ministry said these agreements are intended to help provide the defense forces of Ukraine with effective strike capabilities more quickly, while strengthening the defense industries of partner countries. Canada invited Ukraine to become a founding member of a new bank focused on defense, security, and resilience. At the NATO summit in Ankara, the leaders of Ukraine, Canada, Albania, Belgium, Greece, Latvia, Luxembourg, Romania, and Turkey announced their shared intention to establish the Defense, Security, and Resilience Bank. The bank is intended to strengthen allied defense capabilities by mobilizing approximately $134 billion in available financing. It is expected to provide low-interest loans for defense projects and guarantees to private banks to support the scaling of the defense industry. The Ministry of Defense said the new agreements support Ukraine's defense priorities of achieving technological superiority on the battlefield and building mutually beneficial partnerships. It said drone deal agreements, joint production, and new financial instruments will help Ukraine scale solutions proven effective in modern warfare, while allowing partners to strengthen their own defense capabilities through Ukraine's experience. Please subscribe, like, share, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.